I watched all of the videos I could find on YouTube automation to understand how these channels were making thousands of dollars. And this is what I found. Now, I won't waste too much of your time because I know how important time it is for you. And after watching this video, you're gonna have everything that you need to know to start your automation channel. And after watching all of the YouTube automation videos, there are 8 things that every single channel is using to grow fast. And I'm gonna share all of them with you, and you wanna stay into the last one because the last one is a true game changer. So the first one is to find your niche. The top channels in this space are the best at what they do in one particular niche. Whether it's finance, tech, sport, they stick to that one thing religiously. So finding the right niche is essential, but it's equally important to delve deeper and find the sub-niche for your niche. For example, for finance, you can go into the crypto space or you can go into the day trading space. The key with finding your niche is not to go based on what you think people are searching for, but to actually look at data and make content around that particular topic. The second thing is to detach any emotion. What all these YouTube automation channels have in common is that they don't have any attachment to the content that they make. While having a passion for creating the content is crucial, it is also necessary to keep emotions in check when strategizing and making content decisions. Because if you insert yourself into the picture too much, you might get attached. And if your videos don't rack up the numbers that you want, then you might get disappointed and give up. So remove the emotion or attachment from the goal and just create great content that people want to watch. YouTube automation channels are also leveraging established figures. There is no secret that people are utilizing well-known personalities or trending topics. They use them to grow their channels really quickly. The truth is that your life may not be interesting to others, and that's okay, but your YouTube automation channel can. You can use a celebrity to create a unique content around that person because people already resonate with that celebrity, and that person is already being searched online. So you can use your creativity to make content around that person's life or events. You can even do this for sports or for movies or even companies. The possibilities are really endless. Now the fourth thing is to stay updated with trends. YouTube automation channels are the best at this, and understanding what's currently in demand can provide direction for your content. The top YouTube automation channels understand that very well. So if you're looking to start your own channel, I suggest that you start to inform yourself so that you can ride the trending topics and you can continue to grow your channel. Find places where you can find the niche that you picked and research those places to create content around that. Because the more you stay up to date with what's happening, you can grow your channel a lot faster because people are already looking for that information. The other thing that YouTube automation channels understand is that they don't depend solely on one revenue, specifically ad revenue, because this may not be sustainable in the long run. They understand this very well and they strategize to make money from other sources like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, merchandise, or even another channel where they talk specifically about how they went about creating their YouTube automation channels. There are multiple avenues to generate income from your channel. You just have to get creative. The sixth thing is that while being original is vital, there's no harm in drawing inspiration from trending topics or videos. The top YouTube channels understand this perfectly. So observe what other people are doing and consider what you can offer in a unique way to prevent being the same as other channels. Maybe you can add an additional step that that person or YouTube channel forgot to add, or you can make it more fun or interesting. Sometimes a video only needs a different personality behind it. The important thing is to not copy word for word or video for video. The seventh thing that they do is that they plan ahead. This is a very important step because all of them have a strategy. And not having a strategy will determine if you're gonna be successful or not. Because if you start creating the video before you create the thumbnail or the title, you're gonna be working against yourself. So by creating the thumbnail and coming up with the title, you're working a lot smarter. Because this forward thinking ensures that the core content resonates well with the chosen presentation for that target audience. The top creators understand that the thumbnail is what makes you click that video. And if you cannot make someone click on that video, then your videos are not gonna catch traction. And the same thing applies for a title. So I suggest that you create 10 to 15 titles and 5 to 10 thumbnails if possible. Now, for the last tip that all YouTube automation channels use. Drum roll, please. All of them use AI. The digital landscape is rapidly evolving. All tools are offering incredible assistance in content recommendation, scripting, thumbnails, and anything you can think of. Embracing these tools can give you a competitive edge and streamline your process. So if you don't use any AI tools to make your YouTube automation channel run, then you don't have a YouTube automation channel. You have a regular channel. The goal is to make this as simple as possible while making money. Now, there is more. I want to give you an additional one because I noticed that throughout all the videos that I saw, there was one thing that stood out. And perhaps this is going to be the most crucial one. Because if you made it this far, it was probably a combination of two things. One is because I told you to stick around and maybe you listened to me. Or two, the video was well edited and you got sucked into the video. And this is what makes you watch a video from beginning to end. So the last thing is to edit your videos well. For a YouTube automation channel to be successful, you're gonna have to edit your videos in a way that retains attention as much as possible. And you cannot achieve that or monetize your channel if you are not bringing in people that stick around for a prolonged period of time. But that is it, my friend. All of those things are what YouTube channels are currently using to create their YouTube automation channels and grow successfully. If you implement all of these tips, I guarantee you that your channel is gonna blow up. I'm gonna be making more videos around this so that you can grow your channel and make a lot of money.